Come test drive the 2019 XC40. The Volvo XC40 is a compact SUV built with safety in mind. A wide variety of technology aids assist in keeping passengers safe. The XC40, however, has not forgotten about handling, refinement, and ride comfort, all of which make this vehicle one to consider, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.